The world's easiest bread. No kneading, just 3 ingredients. In a bowl, add 3 cups flour, 7g bread yeast, and about 1.5 tbsp salt. Now mix everything thoroughly. Then add 1.5 cups of warm water. Folks, be careful. The water must be warm. Let's mix everything well now. This is the perfect dough consistency with no dry flour left. Best part, no kneading needed. Now let's cover it. Let the dough rest for about 2-3 hours. I suggest leaving it in the off oven, it'll double quickly. After this time, our dough is ready. Another tip, cover, refrigerate for at least 12 hours. But if you prefer, you can bake it as is now. After 12 hours in the fridge, I am taking all the dough to the counter. But first, sprinkle some flour to prevent sticking. Now it's simple, folks. Let's open this dough by hand. With the dough open, we'll fold one part to the middle. We'll also fold the sides to the center. Now let's start rolling this dough. Next, we'll shape the dough into a ball. Just rotate it like this until it's nice and round. Then, transfer the dough to a pan and make a cut on top. I'm using my stone pan as it holds heat even better. Don't forget to add ice cubes to your dough, folks. Use about 6 to 7 ice cubes. Cover, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes in a preheated oven. After that, remove the lid and bake until golden brown. Look how amazing our bread turned out, everyone. Crispy outside, soft inside, and super easy to make. Try it at home. I'm sure you'll all love it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That's another quick recipe from Pobre na Cocina. Big hugs. See you next time and thanks.